Here's a pair of the JLab Go Pop Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we're going to put the earbuds in pairing mode. Make sure the buds are in the case and the case is closed. Now we're going to open it, and now we're simply going to go ahead and pull out both earbuds. Now if you're not paired to another device, after a few seconds, one of these earbuds should start blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. But mine's not blinking blue, white, blue, white. It's just one of the buds have to blink blue, white, blue, white. None of these are blinking, okay? And the reason is for me is because I'm connected to one of my other phones. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I have two things I can do. I can go to my other phone where I'm currently paired to, or I can factory reset the earbuds, okay? But let's go ahead and let me go to Bluetooth. And then, yeah, see, it said I was connected to my pairing list here. So what I can do here is I can disconnect, forget device, or I can just turn off Bluetooth. And as soon as I do any of those three, automatically one of these will start blinking blue, white, like you see here, indicating it's in pairing mode, okay? Another way we can do it, we can always factory reset these as well, okay? But anyway, it's in pairing mode here. So now, let's go to my iPhone here. We're gonna go to settings, and then settings, we're gonna go to Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned off, and that little spinny thing next to devices is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And you can see it found the JLab Go Pop Plus, and I'm still in pairing mode, obviously, blinking blue, white on one of the earbuds. Let me tap on this right there, and voila, we are connected, okay? Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.